Morty, I need darkness to prime these optical inductors. Hit the leftmost light switch by the door for me. The left. Okay, lights on. So, did I just hear 3 distinct light switch clicks?
What do you mean?
I feel like the 3 sounds I heard could be explained by an initial erroneous flipping of a switch on the right, followed by a hasty corrective flipping of the requested switch, then a third shameful unflipping of the initially flipped switch. Is my assessment accurate?
Yeah, that's how it all shaked out. I'm sorry.
Come on.
What?
Come on! Grab a shovel.
What is...
Grab a shovel. What was that?